Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today it's June the 13th, 2022, and we are looking at pineapples on our pineapple patch. Anyhow, we got like 9 total pineapples growing and a lot of pups underneath of the pineapples. That's what we want. We want to be able to transplant these pups and expand the patch exponentially. So, if you look, none of them are ripe yet. Down south, in like zone 10B and 11, all of zone 11, they've been experiencing a lot of ripe pineapples already. So we're just behind them here in zone 10A/9B. We're right on the border of 10A and 9B, so it's hard to determine which zone we belong to. But this one's pretty big. I mean, I'm really excited about this one. Look at that. It's a beautiful big pineapple. Nothing like a fresh grown pineapple, because these will be a lot sweeter than your store-bought. I'd hate to say it, grocery stores, I'm sorry, but it's the truth. But don't let that stop you from shopping at grocery stores and getting pineapples, because you can take this head. You see this growth off of the top of the pineapple? You can take and plant that, and that'll grow you the same quality of pineapple that you bought in the store, only it will be a lot sweeter, a lot better. So there's a lot of value to shopping at the store and getting store-bought pineapples. That's where all this started from, store-bought pineapples. So you see them, they're almost ready. Only got, I don't even know how many weeks, but it's not very many weeks left, and these are going to be turning yellow and get ready to pick. Now when I get ready to pick them, I'm only going to let them go about half yellow here, because I don't want the sugars and whatnot to be like filling the air with aroma. Once that aroma is in the air, you have an attraction problem for pests. You're going to attract anything that likes to eat sweet stuff. You're going to attract it, and then you're not going to be able to enjoy your pineapples, because the raccoons, you name it, every creature known to man is going to be in here trying to chomp on your pineapples. So the best thing to do is when they're about half yellow, you snap them off at the bottom and bring them inside and let them ripen the rest of the way inside. And trust me, you're not going to lose any of that amazing flavor just by picking them half yellow. They just got to finish ripening on the inside. That's all. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel tremendously. And stay tuned as we keep you updated on the progress and the yield of our pineapple patch here. You have a great day.